If you drive one of these Lexus is200s, you'll know that the Chinese/eBay shifters are absolutely shocking. One of the main reasons for that is the pivot point for the actual top of the shifter moves too much because the rubber's too soft and it just feels terrible. Now I wanted to get rid of that altogether, so I took my old shifter and completely annihilated it and then welded my own together. I originally wanted to use one thick bar, however I couldn't get hold of something, so I used 3 bars and TIG welded them together. That's given me a nice longer shifter, and then I've extended the bottom ball joint to make sure that it's around 20%, 15 to 20% less throw on the shifter. Now because there is no rubber piece here and it's all one solid bar, the shift feels so solid. The next thing I'll do is remake the bottom bushing myself to some other material, so there's no slop in this gear shifter at all. So this is how it sits now. There's the welded shifter. It's leaning to the right intentionally so that when you go from the steering wheel you just go straight to the gear stick. It's literally right there. Less travel means quicker shifts, and it's really short shifter, like properly short. It's sick.